If you want to speed up your work, then keyboard shortcuts always come in handy. And Hangouts has keyboard shortcuts too. To access them and to know what keyboard shortcuts are available, I'm going to go on to menu right here, and then I'm going to go to help and feedback. Once I go over there, I'm going to search for shortcut, just like this, and there you go, you have keyboard shortcuts for Hangout. Once you open that out, you can see that you're given a list of things that you can use keyboard shortcuts with. So here you can see that keyboard shortcuts for Hangout conversation. If you were to expand this out, you can see that move to next Hangout window is Control plus dot right here. That is Control plus period. So let's say, for example, I got two of these right here. Let me just close that down. And then what happens is that if I want to switch between different chat boxes, I press Control and dot, and then it shifts right here, as you can see. So Control dot and it shifts right there. So go over here, Control dot, and it shifts right here, as you can see. So let us just go over here, see some more keyboard shortcuts as well. So I'm going to go to help and feedback. I'm going to go for shortcut, just like this. So you get keyboard shortcuts. And over here, there's formatting messages. Like for bold, there's Control or Command B for Mac, italicize, and underline. So I go over here. I can bold this by pressing Control B. I can italicize it by pressing Control I, and underline it by pressing Control U, as you can see right there. Let us go back right here and then go for shortcut again. So let me just go for shortcut. And here there's navigation shortcut. So over here you can see more shortcuts as you want to use them. And that is how you can utilize keyboard shortcuts inside of Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.